The next phase is termed the platelet phase. In the platelet phase, platelets will move through the bloodstream and attach onto the sticky surface of the endothelial lining of the blood vessel. So here we see two platelets attaching. Obviously it will be more than two, but here we're just showing the two platelets. Not only do the platelets adhere to the endothelial lining, they'll also attach to each other. When the platelets attach to each other, they are now termed activated. These now activated platelets will now start to enlarge their size and change shape. Now that they are enlarged and they are covering over the cut, it is now termed a platelet plug. Now that it has formed the platelet plug and it is activated, chemicals will be released from the platelets. Some of those chemicals include clotting factors and calcium, will trigger further platelet aggregation or further platelet adhesion, further vascular spasm, so further constriction of the blood vessel, as well as chemicals that aid in repair of the blood clot. The last part of the platelet phase is prostacyclin will be released, which will limit the size of the platelets and the platelet plug. So in other words, it prevents any more platelets from moving beyond this right here, which is in purple, that sort of barrier. And the chemical that prevents the platelets from moving, let's say, all the way down here and keep going, keep going, keep going, is going to be this chemical right here, which is labeled C, and that's called prostacyclin. So prostacyclin, which I have written up here, is what prevents the plug from getting too large.